So here are the pieces for the high shower head attachment that can be controlled with Bluetooth, and I'm going to be installing it here. That is a water filter that is attached to the pipe coming out of the wall, so we'll see how well this attaches and works. Now I did already put a little bit more plumber's tape here to try to seal, but basically the instructions say screw this part on to the pipe, which would be this part after the filter is on. This piece right here makes it really easy to turn. Just the screw part without turning the whole thing, and then lock it into place. So let's see, we want not too tight. A lot of really gross yellow water just came out, but at least the connection is solid. So next I'm going to be installing this part. I had to screw these two pieces together, and now this end will go on the attachment. I did not use plumber's tape on these other two pieces. It was not recommended. And as you can see, it was that easy, and there's a pretty high pressure water coming out. You'll have to download the app and install it on your phone or your device to be able to regulate the temperature, but pretty easy. If I was not videoing, it probably would have taken me 2 minutes to do all of that.